These resin dolls
白娘子等了许仙多少年啊？
designed in traditional Chinese aesthetics. They have delicate facial features, realistic skin texture, and intricately styled hair adorned with decorative hairpins. This resin doll has a highly realistic and detailed appearance with soft, lifelike facial features and expressive eyes. She has long platinum blonde hair styled into twin ponytails, decorated with small pink bows. And this doll has long straight brown hair and is dressed in a sporty outfit resembling a cheerleader or soccer uniform, consisting of a navy blue cropped jersey with the number 13 and a short white skirt with a red trim. Absolutely lifelike touch, very soft skin and a lifelike feeling. Highly cute and seducing.
我跟你爸爸掉进水里，你先救谁？
Blonde hair resin doll.
这问题好难，一边是生我养我的爸爸，一边是我在乎的你，真不知道咋选。你怎么突然问这个呀？
小妖，
Elf.
我在听
Blonde
哦。
hair elf.
这个问题能用吗？
Of course, with typical Asian features of
哎呀，
face.
难道我不是你女朋
Very
友？
cute.
还是你想重新表白，来点不一样的浪漫？
Collection.
快说来听听。
And this resin doll can work as a girlfriend, absolutely like girlfriend material doll.